Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox or BIGME Hibreak color. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can select the default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can click sign in, or you can click not now. And now you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And here you can select your toolbar placement, or you can also click save and continue. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.